public procurement working with the market to develop sustainable solutions.
To change the organization, the Procura Plus program is very interesting because change mentalities of the workers in the city council. Barcelona has been very committed with public procurement because it had a good international program to help us. The Smart SPP project had allowed us to share and to learn from pioneer experience of other cities.
That is the prosperity of your local community for many years to come to find the right solutions, and they are green public procurement.
E com isso geramos novas cadeias de valor, geramos nova riqueza, geramos novos postos de trabalho.
Together with our partners from across Europe, we have shown how to walk the talk, using the framework of public procurement to drive sustainable solutions.
We have also encouraged a new way of considering the cost of products and services with the introduction of life cycle costing.
Here in this example, we can see the total cost in 10 years' time that the final procurer solution will have. We can see that the main cost will be the maintenance cost, while the acquisition costs are only a small part of it.
The Smart SPP Excel tool is tailored to your needs. With intuitive input sheets and a step-by-step user guide, it enables you to compare the real costs of products and services before, during and after tendering.
The recommendation would be to follow the already existing approaches and standards and protocols, but if that's not possible, we have to rely on the supplier's declaration or warranties.
The CO2 features of the Smart SPP tool allow you to compare different product options in order to make a really sound evaluation of the different product options and to make a good purchase decision. The tool itself also includes option to make your tender evaluation, and therefore in the end it helps you identifying the product that is the best probably for your personal and specific needs.
There has been a lot of focus on price in municipality, and looking at lifespan of a product, looking at the CO2 emission, gives us other factors to evaluate on too. Calling has some very clear climate and energy targets. The major climate target is that we in 2020 has to reduce our CO2 emissions with 75%.
Going for joint procurement. If you're a small municipality, you may not be as attractive for the market to involve with.
We have to have a material ready for them to show this is the best idea. In the long run, it's the cheapest, you save CO2s and everything.
What we do right now is making a replacement for a standard GU10 50 watt halogen to a newly LED bulb with 4 pieces of high power LED in with only 4 watt. You will actually see that it gives a nice light output similar to the old one.
The Smart SPP project has been a catalyst for considerable procedural change here at ESPO. To our advantage in terms of procurement activity, we now realise far better the benefit of the pre-procurement engagement with the supply market, and get them engaged much earlier in our activity, and we get the right outcomes in terms of the framework solutions that we're looking for.
The main recommendation I would give to fellow procurers is the need to establish a multidisciplinary team. When procuring innovative, sustainable, cutting-edge solutions, input is required from engineers, sustainability experts, the actual users of the service and procurers, and it's only by working together as a whole can the life cycle costs be established and the most environmentally advantageous option chosen.
The big advantage of Smart SPP is that it's broken down those barriers between the person specifying the product and the supplier. And in that way, you've managed to harness the intelligence, the experience and the knowledge of both parties to great effect.
Our proposal is to open the innovation of the cities. It means that we are open to receive any proposal for entrepreneurs and companies to not just to test the product, just to check with the customers. It means with the citizens what they can need and how can they use this proposal. The challenge in this century is that the cities will be the center of the economy.
The experience shows that at the end you win, both from an environmental and an economic point of view.
We are promoting electric vehicle. We think that this is the future.
La idea es hacer un pliego tipo, en la cual experimentalmente se hará dentro del Smart. Se hace un pliego tipo para poder lanzar y hacer las pruebas en nuestra propia área y después este pliego, digamos, será aprobado en el ayuntamiento.
I think that the most important aspects of having joined the Smart SPP project is that Barcelona has increased cooperation and dialogue with the market.
A procura de produtos que, mesmo que possam representar um investimento um pouco mais elevado, nos permitam, a um prazo mais dilatado, assegurar não só uma eficiência energética clara e provada, como também salvaguardar as emissões e a salvaguardar do ponto de vista ambiental que estamos a fazer uma aposta segura.
Our experience with the Smart SPP approach was really positive, especially with the market engagement. We could add a value to the procurement process with that approach.
Do Conselho de Cascais, todos assentes em tecnologia LED, tem uma vantagem enorme em termos de poupança de consumo, tem uma vantagem em termos de segurança rodoviária, que não deixa também de ser importante, e tem, por outro lado, uma capacidade de sensibilizar de uma forma muito direta a nossa própria população.
É uma solução que nós temos disponível hoje mesmo. Não é uma visão ao futuro, é uma visão ao presente. Em termos de iluminação é mais que suficiente, tem o mesmo grau de iluminação que uma luminária tradicional e é uma maneira de baixarmos a nossa pegada ecológica.
We have learned that communication through mass media, dialogue and consultation in the early market engagement phase is really an essential stage.
My recommendation would be to focus extra efforts in doing previous work with suppliers in order to really ensure that you are aware of the latest solutions.
Would you like to be re-elected? Because your voters will claim that from you.
The Smart SPP guidance and tools are made for any public authority and are regularly updated. I'd like to invite you to test them in your next tendering for innovative solutions.